lizard's thing. Yeah. It's that dinosaur. It's that lizard with the thing.
One day, drawn by an unseen force, the rainbow serpent descended from the heavens, crashing down upon the ancient land of Brisbane with a thunderous roar. The impact echoed across the landscape, awakening the spirits that slumbered beneath the earth. From the heart of this celestial collision emerged Will Wimper, the angry spirit wind, whose ferocious howls threatened to unleash chaos upon the land. Sensing the impending danger, the creatures looked to their wise elder, Kumibuvara, the knowledge holder, for guidance. Protect everyone, use your frilled neck! Kumibuvara's voice rang out, carrying the weight of the ancient wisdom and authority. Binangurang, the frill-necked lizard, answered the call, spreading his magnificent frill wide to shield his kin from Will Wimper's fury. Alongside him, Trutha the honeybee buzzed with determination, rallying her fellow insects to join the defense. Despite the howling winds and the lashing rain, they stood firm, their spirits unyielding against the storm. With Binangurang's frill neck and the united efforts of the creatures of Brisbane, a barrier was formed against the raging tempest. Through their bravery and unity, they emerged victorious, their bond stronger than ever. As the rainbow serpent ascended back to the heavens, its radiant form disappearing into the night sky, it left behind a legacy, a legend that would be passed down through the generations.
engine.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
A drone fell.
Oh, did it? Woo.
पीछे निकले ना पीछे